Hello students, today we will learn Java continuous statement. So one by one, first of all we will learn the concept behind Java continuous statement, then learn syntax and then we will do program. So first is Java continuous statement. Is used to continue the loop. Okay. Second point is it continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code. At the specified condition. Okay. Then third point is it is applicable for any types of loop. Any types of loop means what? For loop, while loop, do while loop. Then syntax for continuous statement is jump statement and then continue. Okay, so this is the syntax for continuous statement. One more thing, it continues the inner loop only, just like break statement, because break statement breaks the inner loop. Similarly, continuous statement continues the inner loop only. Okay, let's do the program. So public class continue example, then public static void main string args, then close the curly braces, and inside it I will take for loop int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. Okay, then inside it I will write one condition, I equal 5, and inside if condition I will write continue statement. Okay, then close it, close the for loop, and here I will write one print statement, system dot out dot print ln I. Okay, let's save the program. Continue example dot java. Okay, to run the program I will go to the folder where I have saved the examples and then run command prompt, and here I will write command javac continue example dot java. Okay, then run java continue example Okay, so what I am getting, 1 2 3 4 but not 5, 6 7 8 9 10. So as per the statement, what it is doing, it continues the current flow of the program and skips the remaining code for the specified condition. Means what? If I equal 5, it will what? It will continue, but it will not print 5. Clear this thing? So that was the Java continuous statement. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like and subscribe it.